The Google Pixel 8 Pro is a device that has been on the market for a few months now. In my unboxing video, I called this the smartest smartphone you can buy. So, after 2 months using this device, is that still the case, or are you better looking elsewhere? Let's find out. Now, let's talk about what caught my eye right off the bat, the design of the Google Pixel 8 Pro, especially in this stunning porcelain finish. Google have truly outdone themselves this year. In the realm of smartphone aesthetics, subtlety often speaks volumes. The porcelain colour is not flashy, yet it commands attention with its understated tones. It's a hue that adds a touch of class without being over the top. Whether you're in a professional setting or just out and about, the Pixel 8 Pro in porcelain effortlessly blends in while subtly standing out. Now, when we talk about the hardware, Google have nailed it this year. Every detail, every curve, it all feels meticulously crafted, contributing to an overall premium feel. The build quality is exceptional, and the phone has a substantial weight that conveys durability without being cumbersome. In the competitive landscape of smartphones where Apple and Samsung have long been frontrunners, the Pixel 8 Pro confidently steps up to the plate. While it may not boast the flashy features like a folding display, what it does offer is a consistent and premium experience that is more than sufficient for 99% of users seeking a top-tier smartphone. Now, if you're on the fence and eyeing the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24, it's worth mentioning that the S24 could potentially take the design game to a new level in the Android world. If aesthetics play a pivotal role in your smartphone choice, it might be wise to hold off for a couple of weeks and see what Samsung has in store. The Pixel 8 Pro is undoubtedly a strong contender, but the S24 could introduce something that resonates even more with your preferences. Google really have delivered a design masterpiece with the Pixel 8 Pro. It's a device that not only competes, but stands tall among the giants in the smartphone industry. If you value a premium feel without the need for flashy gimmicks, the Pixel is certainly a device to consider. The focal point of the Pixel 8 Pro's design undoubtedly revolves around its impressive 6.7-inch Super Actua display, and it undeniably lives up to the expectations in every aspect. Widely commended online for its remarkable brightness, the screen proves its worth even under direct sunlight, making outdoor usage a breeze. This holds true, offering a vibrant spectrum of colours and sharp contrasts, creating an immersive visual journey whether you're streaming content or just browsing the web. The Super Actua technology, a hallmark of this display, takes the viewing experience to unprecedented heights, delivering unparalleled clarity and vividness. Whether you're engrossed in videos, immersed in gaming, or casually scrolling through social media, the display stands out. It really does emerge as a standout feature, significantly enhancing the overall user experience, making a substantial upgrade from its predecessor, the Pixel 7 Pro. The camera system featured in the Google Pixel 8 Pro truly stands out as best in class, equipped with a set of remarkable specifications poised to elevate your photography experience to new levels. Leading the way is the exceptional 50-megapixel main camera, excelling in capturing intricate details and delivering vibrant, lifelike images that radiate with clarity. Complementing this, the 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, featuring enhanced macro focus capability, empowers you to explore creative perspectives and get up close for detailed shots, elevating your macro photography to truly exceptional heights. The 48 megapixel telephoto camera introduces the Pixel's most impressive zoom capability to date, ensuring you can capture distant subjects with unparalleled clarity and precision. Whether you're focusing on scenic landscapes or honing in on distant details, this telephoto lens delivers exceptional results. Even the front camera on the Pixel 8 Pro with its 10.5 megapixel sensor is optimized for razor-sharp selfies. You'll capture your best self-portraits ever with the added advantage of Google's advanced image processing software, ensuring flawless results. The Pixel 8 Pro's camera system signifies a substantial leap yet again in mobile photography, presenting an impressive array of lenses and sensors tailored to a wide range of photography styles and preferences, catering to both enthusiasts and professionals alike. When it comes to smartphone camera systems, personal preferences play a significant role and opinions can vary. In my view, while the Google Pixel 8 Pro boasts an outstanding camera system, the iPhone 15 Pro Max still retains its position as the best overall system in my opinion. The 15 Pro Max's camera system has consistently set a high standard, offering a remarkable balance of features, image quality and versatility. Apple's dedication to optimizing both hardware and software results in a cohesive and powerful photography experience. The overall imaging capabilities, including photo and video performance, make it a top choice for many users. Where the iPhone 15 Pro Max particularly shines, and this is where personal preference comes into play, is in video recording. The attention to detail in video capture, the quality of stabilization, and the overall cinematic feel contributes to an exceptional video recording experience. Whether you're shooting 4K, slow motion footage, or utilizing advanced video features, the iPhone 15 Pro Max consistently delivers impressive results. But for those of you wanting to stay within the Android world, the camera on the Google Pixel 8 Pro is one of the very best. The Pixel introduces exciting features set to revolutionize your photography, audio, and call management. Notable among them is the Magic Editor in Google Photos, allowing custom edits and studio quality enhancements with ease. Pixel's Best Take ensures the perfect shot by intelligently combining similar photos for flawless group pictures. Audio Magic Eraser, powered by advanced AI, enhances audio quality by minimizing background noises in recordings, providing clear and disturbance-free sound. The Call Screen feature, enhanced by Google Assistant, takes call management to a new level. It effectively detects and filters a broader range of spam calls, offering caller identification and reasons for calling, enabling informed decisions about answering phone calls. These features cater to both photography enthusiasts and casual users, promising exceptional results effortlessly. The Pixel 8 Pro's innovative combination of Magic Editor, Best Take, Audio Magic Eraser, and Call Screen, coupled with the intuitive Google Assistant, makes it one of the smartest smartphones on the market. As Samsung gear up to unveil the Galaxy S24 with a notable emphasis on AI, it's essential to acknowledge the ongoing competition in the artificial intelligence realm. While Samsung aims to enhance its AI capabilities, Google, with their extensive expertise and dedicated focus on AI development, is likely to maintain its leadership position in this domain. For users contemplating between the S24 and Pixel 8 Pro, the AI capabilities of each device could be a decisive factor. Whether it's for seamless integration with daily tasks, personalized user experiences, or smart features, the role of AI is poised to be pivotal in shaping the user experience for both smartphones. As these technological giants continue to push the boundaries of AI innovation, we can expect exciting competition that will likely enhance the overall intelligence and functionality of these devices, and for that reason it is definitely worth holding off making any purchases until after Samsung's Unpacked event. In conclusion, The Google Pixel 8 Pro shines as a top-tier smartphone, offering an exquisite design, impressive camera system, and cutting-edge AI features. The design competes well in the market, standing tall among giants like Apple and Samsung. The imminent release of the Samsung Galaxy S24 with a focus on AI adds an interesting dimension to the smartphone landscape. However, the Pixel 8 Pro's innovative features and Google's strong presence in AI ensure that it remains a compelling choice for users seeking a smart and versatile device. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you are still watching up to now, then hit the thumbs up button and think about subscribing to the channel to see lots more content like this coming soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.